What if the plant beside your bed does what no sleep supplement ever could? More hours of sleep, more supplements. Still exhausted every morning. Japan already knew. Fix the room. Fix the sleep. In today's video, we cover 10 Japanese bedroom plants for better sleep and fresh air. Keep watching, because number 4 on this list has the same effect on your brain as a prescription sedative. Stay until the end, because number 9 is a plant selected by NASA to clean the air inside sealed buildings. Your bedroom. 10 plants. 1 is all it takes. Number 1. Hinoki cypress, the sleep architect. For centuries, Japanese temples and bathhouses were built from hinoki cypress. It was not chosen for beauty. Shinto tradition held that hinoki purified every space it entered. Here's what most people miss. Hinoki releases compounds into the air. They reach your nervous system directly. They lower the stress hormone that keeps your body locked in tension at night. Japanese forest research confirmed what ancient Japanese builders already knew. These compounds, phytoncides, reduce cortisol in enclosed spaces. Lower cortisol means the body stops fighting sleep. A small hinoki pot, or wood block, belongs on your nightstand. It works every night. Number 2. Osmanthus, the night activator. This plant, called kinmokusei in Japan, has filled sleeping rooms for centuries. Its scent was considered so powerful that Japanese families placed it at the bedroom entrance. It was never moved to the garden. Here's what's fascinating. That fragrance intensifies after dark. It travels freely through the air. It reaches the nervous system directly. It slows the tension that keeps the body awake. Japanese healers documented its effects long before any study measured them. Modern research has now confirmed what Japanese tradition already knew. Its fragrance reduces heart rate and anxiety within minutes of exposure. A small pot in the bedroom corner releases its relaxing fragrance all night. By morning, you finally wake up feeling rested. Number 3. Chrysanthemum, the air renovator. In Japan, chrysanthemum is called kiku. Japanese emperors kept it in their sleeping chambers for over 800 years. Here's what's remarkable. Kiku absorbs benzene through its leaves. Benzene is an airborne chemical. What most people miss, benzene disrupts deep sleep, and you breathe it for 8 uninterrupted hours every night, unless kiku is already there. Kiku removes exactly that from your bedroom air. Imperial households placed kiku in sleeping rooms for that very reason. Botanical research confirmed what Japanese emperors already knew. Place a flowering kiku on the bedroom windowsill. Rotate it when the blooms fade. The air around you slowly clears. You stop waking up heavy. Number 4. Gardenia, the hidden sedative. In Japan, gardenia is called kuchinashi. It has been placed in sleeping quarters for centuries. It was never placed there for its looks. Here's what's special. That fragrance reaches the brain directly. It activates the receptors that control muscle tension. They release the tension that holds the body awake. Japanese households understood this long before any laboratory measured it. A study published in Scientific Reports confirmed that gardenia's volatile compounds are sedative and hypnotic, without the side effects of sleeping pills. Place a single bloom on the nightstand beside you. That night, sleep comes without a fight. Number 5. Jasmine, the sleep deepener. Jasmine entered Japanese sleeping spaces centuries ago. It was kept there deliberately to avoid restless sleep, the turning, the waking, the never fully settling. Here's what's remarkable. Jasmine fragrance reaches the brain directly. The body that was refusing to switch off receives the signal to let go. Japanese tradition understood this long before any study confirmed it. Researchers at Wheeling Jesuit University measured that people in jasmine-scented rooms moved significantly less during the night. Place a jasmine pot on a bedroom shelf. Its delicate fragrance delivers the deepest kind of rest through the night. Number 6. Kokedama moss, the humidity keeper. In Japan, kokedama is the art of growing plants inside a ball of living moss. It has been practiced for centuries in sleeping spaces and meditation rooms. The moss was never purely decorative. Here's what most people miss. Dry air is one of the most common causes of broken sleep. A throat that tightens, sinuses that dry out, waking at 3 in the morning to drink water. That is dry air. Japanese moss gardens held humidity in enclosed spaces long before sleep research measured it. That research confirmed what Japanese tradition already knew. The right moisture level keeps the airway open through the night. Hang a kokedama ball on a bedroom shelf. Mist it once a week. Dry air disappears. Deep sleep takes its place. Number 7. Bamboo, the silent oxygenator. In Japan, bamboo is called take. It has shaped Japanese sleeping spaces for over 1,000 years. Entire rooms were built around it. A sealed bedroom loses oxygen as the night goes on. Here's what's remarkable. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing oxygen-producing plants you can keep indoors. Japanese designers placed take-in sleeping rooms for exactly that reason. Botanical measurement confirmed what those rooms already demonstrated. More oxygen in the air means the air you wake up breathing is not the same air you close the door on. Place take-in a water vessel in the bedroom corner. It needs almost nothing. Number 8 does not just produce oxygen. It does it only at night, when every other plant has stopped. Number 8. Snake plant, the night breather. In Japan, the snake plant is called Tora no O, tiger's tail. It was placed in sleeping rooms for generations, not for decoration. Here's what makes this special. Every plant you know breathes out oxygen during the day. At night, most plants stop. The air in the room grows heavier as the night goes on. Snake plant releases oxygen after dark, exactly when you need it most. Botanical research has confirmed it uses a rare nighttime process to do what no other common plant does. Place it in the bedroom corner. The air around you stays fresh while you sleep. Number 9. Spider plant, the overnight purifier. In Japan, the spider plant was considered a plant that kept the air in a room alive. That is why Japanese families kept it on windowsills and beside sleeping areas for generations. Here's the twist. NASA faced a specific problem. Humans sealed inside buildings with no fresh air and no way out. They tested hundreds of plants. The spider plant was one of the few that made the cut. Japanese homes already had it. Your furniture, carpets, and paint release formaldehyde every night. It has no color, no smell. You breathe it all night long. That is one reason 8 hours of sleep still leaves you tired. Hang a spider plant anywhere in the bedroom. It asks for nothing. The air that was stealing your sleep clears while you sleep. This is the one I saved for last, because it is the oldest answer on this list. Number 10. Sweet flag, the forgotten sleep cure. In Japan, sweet flag is called shobu. Japanese physicians prescribed it specifically for sleep disorders over 1,000 years ago. Not for anxiety, not for general rest, for the inability to sleep. Here's what's fascinating. Shobu contains a compound called asaroni. Asaroni quiets the mind that has kept you awake for years. It does not sedate. It removes the noise that prevented sleep in the first place. Japanese physicians documented this for centuries before any modern study measured it. Research has now confirmed what those Japanese physicians already knew. Keep a small shobu pot in indirect light. Keep the soil moist. Japan never lost this. Now you have it back. Unrefreshing sleep only needs the right plant beside your bed. Every plant on this list was placed beside sleeping people long before sleep became something you had to fix. Shobu quieted the mind. Hinoki cleared the air. The bedroom that finally lets you rest is not a new idea. It is the oldest one. Japanese tradition never moved the answer out of the bedroom,